Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's September 5th, Thursday morning, and grain markets off a little bit here this morning on some profit taking, some technical selling, some weakness after yesterday's sell-off, and fundamentally we've got a little more rain in the forecast. The 1 to 5 day forecast now has some more rain moving into the southeastern Iowa, northeast Missouri, and western Illinois areas that we didn't have on the noon maps yesterday. So providing some weakness. However, the USDA September crop production report is just a week away, and we're getting more estimates. Yesterday, Allendale and FC Stone put out their estimates for yield, and today we should get Informa's numbers. Reuters did a survey yesterday afternoon and looked at 20 different analysts' estimates and put the corn average estimate at 153.9, soybeans at 41.9. Not quite as low as what the producers are telling us, but everybody's trying to guess what the USDA might say. We know that the USDA in these numbers will use a 5-year average pod weight, which could give them a number that's a little higher than actually what the producers believe is out there. So it's going to be an interesting report, and we'll certainly will have more volatility going into that report on next Thursday. We do have South Korea that bought 22,000 tons of U.S. wheat last night. The export sales numbers that normally come out on Thursday morning will come out tomorrow morning because of last Monday's holiday. Corn harvest is starting to move further north. We're getting reports from producers in Illinois, Indiana, southeast Iowa that yields on this early planted corn are outstanding, hearing yields of 230 to 250 bushel an acre. Moisture right now is in that 28 to 32% range. The producers, however, are willing to harvest early because they want to take advantage of the premiums that are being offered at elevators and processors at this time. And we're even hearing that some elevators will and processors alike will take high moisture corn, and where they normally demand that 15% moisture corn. So seeing some harvest begin, that will continue to put a bit of pressure on the nearby corn contract. More than likely, we've seen a few deliveries against that contract now over the last couple days. We also had news that China sold 82% of their beans that were offered on their weekly auction, and there was talk yesterday that they may put out in November, December another 2 to 3 million metric tons of beans out of their reserves. So another reason for some weight and some heaviness and profit taking in the soybean complex. The livestock complex cutout values were higher yesterday. Pork up 38. Choice up 46 in the beef. Select was up 21 cents. So a little bit of fill-in buying demand after the holiday. Pork is also getting some interest, and seasonally rallies into the middle of September as retailers restock shelves, preparing for this October pork month that is a huge feature. So as a reason for some of the strength in the pork complex here, we got October contract catching up to the index very quickly, and we got large fund interest in the hogs right now. Last week we showed that the funds were nearly a record position, a long position, and with the buying that we've seen this week, you would think that that number should increase again on this Friday's CFTC report. A lot of activity going on. We appreciate your help on getting the Allendale Yield Survey done this year. the great success. And if you got any questions, never hesitate to give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. Thank you. Have a good trading day.